Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to lock a chat on WhatsApp. If you want to track only a specific contact, first enter their conversation. Then click on their name at the top and then enter the chat lock option. Here you will have to activate the option to lock this chat with fingerprint. Confirm by putting your fingerprint. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. From now on, this chat will be in the blocked chat section and you will need to enter your fingerprint to open it. To find blocked chats, scroll down and you will see the category Locked Chats. Then click on it and you will be able to see the locked conversations. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.